Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get notes on Instagram. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. First thing you need to do is to open Play Store if you are using Samsung just like me, or open App Store if you are using iPhone. Type Instagram over here in the search bar. So the first thing you need to check is that you have the latest update of Instagram. If there is an update available, instead of saying open, this blue button here is going to say update. So you want to make sure that you update your app to the latest version and then go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. Once you've done that, you should now have access to leave Instagram notes. So just go to your profile by pressing your profile picture in the bottom right corner. After doing this, you will see a note box on your profile picture. So if you actually press on to note, and what you can do is go ahead and leave a note. You can share it with followers you follow back or just to your close friends. I'll try to type something just to let you know how it's working. For example, hello, press share, and that's it. As you can see, it will appear in my profile and messages. So that's it. That is how to get notes on Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.